Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawer. Now this is the Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawer right here. It is a dishwasher that actually comes out as a drawer. Do you see how that happened? It has a custom front panel on it. Really cool. I'm going to show you how to add detergent, get this thing started, everything. Alright. But before we get started, if you find my video helpful, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so here is my Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawer. You can see it is different from the kind where you just pull open the dishwasher and put the dishes in after you pull it out. It actually just slides in like this. And if you look at it, at the bottom of it, there is a spinner which is low to the bottom, and it actually spins and washes the dishes. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit different. Now the first thing you want to do is load in the dishes. I loaded it pretty well, not the best that I can possibly do, but you want everything with it facing downwards right here. I have the bowls facing downwards. I have all of this facing downwards. There's a place for utensils. I usually keep my utensils with the eating side upwards. Place for you can put wine dishes, wine glasses if you don't have these bowls in here. And I simply put the cups at the top right there. Do you see how I did that? I have the cups right there at the top. So I have a couple glasses down in there. And so saucers, I have them lined up like this, all so they can get washed with the sprayer that spins up and shoots the water up. So once I have all of the dishes in there, I'm going to add in detergent and dishwasher rinse aid. Now the dishwasher rinse aid and detergent drawer is actually right here. It's kind of unique. Okay, you see this right here? Just simply press down on this button right here. Let me get over here so you can see this a little bit better. You see this right here? You're just going to simply take this, press it down, and it opens up. Now here are two drawers right here. This is a drawer where you add detergent, either liquid, powder, and right here is where the detergent goes. You can either put powder or you can put liquid. If you have a pod like this one, do not put the pod in the drawer because it will be stuck. It's not big enough for the pod. So you should take the pod and actually place the pod in the bottom of the dishwasher. Knob right here, this is indicative right here. This is how you adjust how much rinse aid comes out of it right here. You see this? It adjusts how much rinse aid comes out. Okay. To this drawer, do not add the rinse aid to this one right here. Do not add rinse aid right here. Okay, this is the pre-wash and then the regular wash. I'm just adding one pod to it. It's recommended that you do liquid or powder. Add it to those compartments right there. So I have the detergent in here, and then right here is where you have the rinse aid. So I'm just going to spin this and open it up, and rinse aid is poured down in there. You fill that up, and then you just simply put this back in, close it just like that, and that's where the rinse aid goes. Now once you have all of that selected, you can move on to the wash cycle. And if you look up on the drawer right here, you'll see that it has options right here. Alright, so if the lights are turned off, you can simply just go ahead, close it, open it up, and should power on. If not, if you come down, you can look right here. You see this right here? This here is a power button. You can actually have controls right here where you can press the power to turn it off, or you turn it on. I turn it on, and here is a pause play button to get it started, but we're going to make the selection first. And here's the lock button, which I'll go over later. All right, so right here, it's turned on. Now I'm going to make my selection, and I simply just do that by pressing this arrow key, and it goes through it. I can go from heavy, let's start at the beginning, heavy, normal, fast, delicate, and rinse. Okay, those are the options. I use heavy for heavy loads like this one. Normal is just a normal load, doesn't do all the extra washing and whatnot. You have fast, and then you also have delicate, and you have rinse. Delicate I use if I have a lot of wine glasses in there. Rinse if I just want the dishes rinsed and then just wash them later. The rinse doesn't take that long. And there's also the economy button. I can press this economy thing, and it actually saves energy. if I press the economy. I'm not going to save energy today. I'm just going to go for a fast wash. And then I'm going to go ahead and shut it and start it. But before I do that, by pressing the start, I can press this right here, hold it down, and it locks it so people cannot press buttons. And to unlock the dishwasher, I just come back over here and press this lock key feature, hold it down, and it's unlocked. So I have my selection, fast, okay, and I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and press start to start this wash. All right, you see that? And that is how you use a Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. Now read your owner's manual because they have the instructions with the specifics as well as the warnings, which you will need to know before operating this dishwasher. Read the owner's manual and abide by this. This video is just a simple guide. Do not rely on it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.